In this lecture, we are going to discuss about permission in Linux. Permission is really important concept whenever you are discussing or whenever you are dealing with the any server. So what is permission? Permissions means a set of privileges that you are having on some particular directory or on some particular files. In the Linux server, you will find there are three type of permissions. Okay, one we called it as a read, then we have write, and then we have execute. There are three permissions, you will find it. So this read is also coming with the numeric format, like this will be your 4, 2 and 1. Read is 4, write is 2 and it is execute. We are giving this permission to the users, groups and other. So those people who are individual people, you can give this read, write, execute permission to user, read, write permission to groups. Groups means basically the users which are the part of that particular group. So what will happen? Let's say this is a group, DBA group is there. Here we have your multiple users. If you give some permission to the DBA group, that will get applicable to the user automatically, all the users which are the part of that group. So you don't need to give explicitly one by one permission to each and every user. Just give it to the group level and it will get applicable to all the users. And other people means those who are not the owner of that file and those who are not the part of that group. These people are, we called it as a other people. So here also we can give read, write, execute permission. Alright. So let's say I want to give full permission. I want to give full permission, read, write, execute to the users. So I'll say 7. I want to give full permission to the group. So I'll say 7. I want to give full permission to the other people. So I'll say 7. So how this 7 has been created? It's a read which is 4, write which is 2, execute which is 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So if I want to give some full permission to the user, group and other everyone, so I will mention chmod is the command to give a permission. What permission I want to give? 7 to the user, 7 to the group, 7 to the others and the file name and the file name. So this 7 is for users, this 7 is for groups and this 7 is for other. It means to say I am giving full permission to the user, group and other, because 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to this read, write and this is execute. We'll see this practically, then it will be more clear. Okay, thank you.